We have a detailed um, we have a detailed planning the scope work walkthrough. We should, this is when we're closed. Okay, so this is going to be the detailed walkthrough. It's 25 minutes long. Obviously, we're not going to go through the whole thing, but you will get to see all the things we did. There was no it's a beautiful property. There was a lot of potential that a lot of people passed because they couldn't see it, in which we'll dive into the lessons learned on this deal and we'll cover that more in detail. But you can kind of see, get an idea. And like I said, this property was abandoned for a long time. The neighbor was really, really pleased that we stepped in and we did what we did, and we really transformed this house. And really, it was a pretty straightforward rehab. The bulk of the work was actually just removing this wall over here and opening up this kitchen. But everything else, there was no real structural changes. We did do a big concrete patio here that we had to reroute some of the sprinklers that were there, and we did a pergola in the back. The HOA had a code because right back there there's a golf course, so we couldn't really change the fence. So anyway, I'll show you the before and after so you can see it. But everything is there for you guys to take a look at. Let's take a look at the comps nearby.